right, my dears, we have made it to the end of addition. We have made it to the end of lesson 1. Okay. Hopefully you have established some short little quick tricks to get you through these addition processes. But if you haven't, I'm here to tell you what they are. Okay. So we have talked about adding integers with the same signs, and we've talked about adding integers with different signs. Okay. So if I'm adding, and my signs are the same, so 2 negative numbers or 2 positive numbers, we're just going to add the old-fashioned way, right? And then we're going to keep the signs the same. So if I'm adding 2 negative numbers, they stay negative. If I'm adding 2 positive numbers, they stay positive. Are we golden? I hope so. Okay. So then we talked about adding integers with different signs. Okay. So a positive and a negative. All right. What we do there is kind of funky. Okay. We have to look at their absolute values. Okay. Are you with me? All right. So we want to see how far they are from 0, and we're going to subtract their absolute values. Okay. So the trick here is when the signs are different, we're going to subtract, and then we keep the sign of the bigger absolute value. Okay. And you'll hear me talk in some of our examples about, well, who wins or what team won, positive or negative. Okay. What I'm talking about is who has the bigger absolute value. If I'm adding negative 48 and positive 32, negative 48 has more points, right? So that means the answer is going to be negative. All right. And we are going to keep working with all this stuff. These rules are going to revisit us in subtraction. So if you don't quite have it, don't worry. You still have time. All right. And if you're not understanding stuff, you need to go to the Google Meets, and you need to email me if you are unable to come to the Google Meets and request a one-on-one. Okay. All right, guys. Hope you're rocking it out.